So we decided on Drupal, and why is it that we went with Acquia? In fact, for the first year, we were on our own, hosted on premise, and then we engaged Acquia support. But it kind of made good sense. After the first year, we shifted out. I'll just let you know some of the features that work for us in the cloud. As a platform, as a service, we get our usual development, staging, production. We get automatic uptime. I must say that it is up most of the time. I was confessing the other day that actually the only times when it went down was when we messed up in our codes. 99.95% uptime is the SLA, and whenever we log a ticket of critical severity, the response is almost instantaneous, which is really important to us. We get metrics and logs for all kinds of activities. Who does what to what part of the environment is all logged very well. We get our databases backed up automatically, which we can download, restore, or remove, although we never remove. We can set up housekeeping or data jobs to be run on a schedule. One unique feature is this thing called Acquia Insight, which will score your sites according to a score of 100, and then you can choose to address them as you see fit. So this was really good for us. Another really useful thing we found in the platform is this thing called customizable roles. Every organization is different. We kind of build custom roles for our central IT admin, our database administrators, our extended development team in the vendors and partners. So this was really good for us. Other than using Drupal for standard websites, we also use Drupal for other things. Say for example, here we have a campus map. And in this campus map, we allow our facilities management colleagues to list the facilities with the pictures and opening hours.